Hey there, gearheads and Ram enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the beast hiding under the hood of your Ram 1500? Today, we're diving into the world of performance upgrades with the best cold air intake that will take your truck's power, throttle response, and fuel efficiency to a whole new level. Whether you're off-roading or just cruising through the city, this cold air intake will let your engine breathe better and deliver that deep, mean growl we all love. Stick around as we break down installation tips, performance benefits, and share our top pick that's turning heads and ruling roads. Let's rev up those engines and get started. Number 5. Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit is your key to unlocking the full potential of your 2019 Dodge/Ram 1500. Designed to increase horsepower and torque, this air intake kit has been dyno tested to deliver an impressive 50% more airflow compared to the restrictive factory setup. Enjoy better towing capabilities, enhancing acceleration and uphill performance, while reaping the benefits of quicker throttle response. Feel the robust engine sound as you hit the road, showcasing power that's hard to ignore. The world-class protection ensures your engine stays shielded from harmful contaminants and debris. Plus, with easy maintenance, no cleaning needed for up to 100,000 miles, you can stay focused on performance rather than upkeep. Installation is a breeze. With just basic hand tools, you can bolt on this incredible power upgrade in less than an hour. Not to mention, the advanced oiled synthetic filter design ensures your engine remains protected without voiding your vehicle warranty. Elevate your driving experience with the Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit, the best cold air intake for your Ram 1500. Number 4. Mussen Cold Air Intake Kit. Designed for 2014 to 2020 Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac models equipped with V8 engines, this high-performance intake takes your driving experience to the next level. With compatibility across various models, including Silverado 1500, Sierra 1500, and Escalade, installation is a breeze. What sets this kit apart? It promises an impressive boost of 5 to 10% in horsepower and 6 to 10% in torque, transforming your vehicle's performance. You'll love the enticing intake noise that adds excitement to every drive. This kit is engineered for both automatic and manual transmissions, perfect for any enthusiast. Not just for performance gains, the Mussen intake is also built with quality and durability in mind. It's a must-have upgrade for anyone seeking the best cold air intake for Ram 1500. Don't settle for average, elevate your car's capabilities with Mussen today. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your vehicle with an exhaust note that turns heads. Experience the difference. Number 3. AF Dynamic Black Cold Air Filter Intake System, designed for 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 models with a 5.7L V8 engine. This system is the best cold air intake for Ram 1500, delivering a performance upgrade you can feel. The cold air intake system comes complete with everything you need for hassle-free installation. Constructed with 100% new quality parts, it replaces your OEM filter and air box with top-grade materials. Say goodbye to cheap rubber. This system features superior stainless steel components to ensure durability and efficiency. By enhancing airflow, this intake allows your engine to draw in colder air more efficiently. Enjoy improved throttle response and a noticeable boost in horsepower, up to 10 more. You can also expect a torque increase of 6 to 8% and better gas mileage. Plus, it produces an intense, deep sporty sound that enhances your driving experience. Remember, professional installation is recommended, and this product comes with a 60-day factory warranty. Elevate your performance with the AF Dynamic Black Cold Air Filter Intake System today. Number 2. Rough Country Cold Air Intake. This high-performance intake system is specifically designed for the 09-18 Ram 1519 to 24 Classic with the 5.7L engine. Experience a remarkable boost in horsepower and throttle response. The secret? It circulates cooler, denser air. More oxygen means more power in your combustion chamber. One of its standout features is the premium, reusable air filter. It ensures your engine breathes cleaner air for better performance. Plus, installation is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, you can easily install it at home. Don't worry about support, Rough Country provides excellent assistance, ensuring that you're never alone in your upgrade journey. And with their limited lifetime replacement warranty, you can invest in your truck with confidence. If you're searching for the best cold air intake for the Ram 1500, look no further. The Rough Country Cold Air Intake delivers performance, reliability, and ease of use. Enhance your driving experience and feel the difference. Number 1. K&N Cold Air Intake System. This high-flow air filter system is engineered to unleash your engine's full potential. You can expect a guaranteed increase in horsepower and torque, thanks to its less restrictive airflow design that delivers cool, oxygen-rich air straight to your engine. K&N stands by their products with reliable dyno testing. Each system comes with detailed reports, ensuring you're getting the performance boost you expect. You'll also love the improved engine sound. Experience the thrilling growl during acceleration, only to return to a refined quietness at cruising speed. Towing heavy loads? No problem. The K&N intake improves throttle response, enhancing acceleration and uphill performance. It's perfect for both daily commutes and highway driving. Plus, K&N's premium engine protection means peace of mind. It won't void your vehicle warranty, and their no-hassle lifetime limited warranty covers your intake for life. Choose the best cold air intake for your Ram 1500 today, and feel the difference in your driving experience. Get ready for increased performance, better towing capabilities, and a sound that you can't ignore. In conclusion, upgrading to the best cold air intake for your Ram 1500 can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance, power, and efficiency. With various options available, it's essential to choose one that fits your driving style and needs. Investing in a quality intake system not only improves horsepower but also provides a more exhilarating driving experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts. Until next time, keep your ride running strong.